Let's get to the business news with Nona Peltier. Hi, Nona. The Warehouse. Well, it's another company that says it's going to have to cut salaries and wages. So what exactly is it proposing?
Yeah, we're talking about a 20% pay cut. This is a proposal, of course, everything has to be done by negotiation. But we're talking about a 20% pay cut for sort of the directors, executive team, and people who earn more than $100,000 a year. If you earn between 60 and 100, you're looking at a 10% pay cut. And if you're earning less than 60, no pay cut at all. So the government's given the warehouse a wage subsidy of some $67 million, which should see it through. They're going to review the situation again in June, and or when the we get to a level 2 lockdown, in which case, and they should be able to put 285 stores closed.
Do we know anything about the number of workers they employ, Nona, or how many people fall into those categories?
Just over 11,000 workers. I don't know what percentage of them are earning less, but I suppose that information would be public because they received a wage subsidy for those people. Yeah.
Okay, so job seekers, well, they're being told to, do more than just freshen up their CVs. So what's the advice there? Because there'll be a lot of people on the market.
Yeah, so yesterday we talked about the numbers that we got from Seek, and we said that the number of job ads was down 30%, but we now know that in the last week of March, the number was down 76%. And so the Seek folks say, look, there's lots of information on their website if you want to go and have a look. But what they're recommending is that when people go to look for a new job, to not think about what they used to do, because those jobs might not be there anymore, and to focus more on their skills, thinking about how their skills could be applied to new jobs, different jobs. That's what people have to do, open their mind, because, if you're a cabin crew, for example, at Air New Zealand, you're not going to get your job back if you get made redundant. And we have heard about pilots stocking shelves in the supermarkets.
Okay, so what else has been going on the markets today?
Yeah, big day on the market. We were up above 3% for some time this afternoon. And just at the end, I guess there was some profit takers in there, because we dropped back to about 2.9%, which is still a very strong increase. We're talking, 306 points up to 10,779. Now, we haven't seen those levels since November, when we were moving up towards, there were some strong growth there in the markets. And back to early March.
Oh, we're just losing you there, Nona.
Because we got some really...
I think we're...
Okay.
You're fading in and out. You're fading in and out, Nona. So just before you go, maybe you could just have a crack at giving us the dollar. Well, let's see if the line holds up.
2 US cents, 94.5 Australian, and 48.2 British pence. And that increase there, 60.2 US cents, is a lot better than where we were yesterday.
Well, we got at least two of them. Thanks, Nona. That's Nona Peltier with the business news, joining us by, a slightly patchy Skype line there.